All right, now we're moving on with the soft shell tacos. All right, so this one here, this is a classic Korean dish, bulgogi reimagined as a taco. So you've got that soy marinated, thinly sliced beef in there. You've got a little bit of that cabbage, that white cabbage. Looks like there's a radish on the top there. Light sprinkling of sesame seeds. Oh, wow. And a little bit of that cheese as well. Sweet and salty with that soy glaze, that teriyaki.